Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about the transportation problems. Okay, so actually they will ask two types of questions in exam. Okay, balanced, one condition will be balanced and another one is unbalanced. Here S means supply and D means demand. If supply equal to demand, then it will be balanced. If supply not equal to demand, it will be unbalanced. Okay, so, what is the use of transportation problem? Like there is a factory, there will be many supplies and there will be many demands. Like you are actually you are making a product. Okay, you are making a product and there is a supply, and customers will buy the product. Right, there will be demand for that. Okay, to minimize that total cost, we are using this method. Okay, transportation method. Okay, how the questions will be asked, like to find the optimal solution. Okay, but for before finding the optimization, we have to find initial basic feasible solution. Okay, so there are two methods. First method is finding initial basic and finding optimization. Okay, two steps. And for first step there will be four, like for finding initial basic feasible solutions there are three types to solve that. To find the initial basic feasible solutions, what are they? NWCR, northwest corner rule. LCM, least cost method. VAM, Vogel's approximate method. Okay, these three are there. Yeah, this is a question, right? Yeah, you can see this question, right? This is one of the question which will be asked in exam. What we can do, like in exam they will ask like find initial basic feasible solutions by NWCR, by LCM or VAM. Okay, so I am explaining these three in this video. Okay, first one is NWCR. First let us check it is balanced or unbalanced. There will be other process for unbalanced. Let us do first, but let us focus on balanced one. Okay, so for 50 plus 60 plus 30 is 140, and 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50, 50 plus 40 90, 90 plus 20 110, 110 plus 30 140. So both supply and demand is equal, right? Supply equal to demand, right? So it is a balanced. For balanced we are doing NWCR, northwest corner rule. So what you have to do, first draw the table. NWCR, first we have to draw the table. Yeah, let first draw the table, same table. I have drawn the same table. See, 4 6 8 10, 4 6 8 10, 2 4 6 8 3 5 7 9. Okay, I have drawn the same table. What for NWCR, what we have to do first? First see northwest, this is the position of northwest. First element you have to see. In this place what you have to do, draw like this. Okay, check of supply and demand. Supply is 50 and demand is 20. What is the least one? Demand, right? 20. Write this 20 and subtract here 20, here 20. If I subtract here 20, it is 0, right? And here 20 means 30, right? Then cancel this row. Okay, this row is completed. Now go for the next one. Next one again, first one is this one, right? So I am taking this one. Now see, supply is 30, right? Supply is 30, right? And what is the demand? Demand also 30. So minus 30, minus 30. So this one is 30. So this one row is cancelled and this column also cancelled. Okay, next, what the next? These two are completed, right? 6 8, this one we have to go. Now supply is 60 and demand is 40. So least one is demand, so 40 I have written. Minus 40, 0, minus 40 equal to 20, right? So this one will be completed. Now what we have to do? And here see 20, here 20 supply and 50 is demand, so least one is 20, so I am doing this one 20. So minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, and 50 minus 20 equal to 30, and here last one is 30. You got it, right? What I have done, first from northwest I have started. I have checked the supply and demand. Here demand, supply is 50 and demand is 20. I have taken the least one. 20 minus 20 is 0. 50 minus 20 is 30. So similarly I have cancelled the row. I have removed this row. Okay, after this one is 30. See, after going to this one is the northwest, right? First one. So I have checked this one, supply is 30 and this one demand is 30. So 30 30 equals, so I have written 30. Like this we have done in the first step. Now let me write these values in the next table. Okay, I will write the same table here. See, this is the one, right? We have got. Let me write that. See, now I have just done the same table here. So I am writing the values again. 4 6 8 10, 2 4 6 8 3579. So what are the values here? 20, 30, 40, 20 and 30. Okay, done, right? Now for finding the initial feasible solution, what we have to do? 20 into 4 plus 30 into 6 plus 40 into 6 plus 20 into 8 plus 30 into 9. You got it, right? See, 20 into 4, 30 into 6, 40 into 6, 30 into 8, sorry, 20 into 8 and 30 into 9. 80 plus 180 plus 40 into 6, how much? 240 plus 160 plus 270. So maximum cost of the initial basic, so what is the initial basic solution after adding this? We got 930. So 930 is the initial feasible solution. Okay, so after that what we have to do? This is the NWCR method, northwest corner rule. Okay, it's done. So what is the second one we have discussed? See, we have done now NWCR, right? We have done NWCR is completed. Now we are writing least cost method. We are doing least cost. So for that what we have to do? Again draw the same table, like second one, LCM, least cost method. Okay, so for LCM, that means least cost method, what we have to do? First we have to check what is the minimum value here. What is the minimum value in all? 2, right? Yeah, 2 is the one, the 2, it is the minimum one, right? Now let us take here see the supply and demand. Supply is 20, sorry, supply is 60 and demand is 20. It is demand and it is supply. Okay, here 60 is the supply and 20 is the demand. So least one is 20, right? So I am writing 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Okay, and here 60 minus 20 is 40. Okay, you got, right? Now what I am doing? I am deleting this row. And here what is the least value? See, 4, 5, right? 4. I am taking the 4. Here what is least, 30 or 40? 30, right? I am writing 30 minus 30, 0. Here 40 minus 30 is 10. And again here what is the least one? 6, right? 6. In 6 what I am taking? 10 is the least, right? Here 10 it is 40. So I am taking 10. So after taking 10 it will be becomes 0, right? So it will become 30. Okay, this one and this one is gone. Now here 30. Here what is the 7, 8, 10, 9. 7 is the least one, right? 7. 7, see, 30 and 30. Now I am taking 30 here. Here 30 minus 30 and 30 minus 30 is 0. So this one and this one is completed. At last what is this? This one. So here it is 50 and here it is 50. This one will cancel. Okay, 50. So minus 50 minus 50. So check what are the values in the sub boxes. Here it is 20, right? 20 into 2, right? 20 into 2 plus 30 into 4 plus 10 into 6 plus 30 into 7 plus 50 into 10. Okay, 40, 120, 60, 210 plus 500. See, if you check, after adding this, we will get the value as 930. Okay, after doing LCM method, we got the initial feasible solution as 930. Listen guys, here these two are equal, but it is not necessary that in both methods the initial basic feasible solution should be equal. Okay, there may be varies from method to method. So 2 methods are completed, right? Now let me write the third method. Now what is the next one? Next one is WAM method. Okay, next one is WAM, Vogel's approximation method. Okay, now how to do that? Similarly, we have to draw the same box. Okay, Yeah, now right, WAMS method. What is the WAMS method? Vogel's approximation method. Now let us find the initial basic feasible solution in WAMS method. Okay. So for this I have drawn the same question, right? Question is this one only, right? Same, I have drawn the table and I have written like this. Let me write it as P1, this T2. Now in this row, what are the small elements in 4, 6, 8, 10, 4 and 6? What is the difference between 4 and 6? 2. Similarly, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the smallest two numbers? 2 and 4. What is the difference? 2. In 3, 5, 7, 9. What is the smallest elements? 3 and 5, right? What is the difference between them? 2. And here in columns, what are the small elements? 2 and 3. What is the smallest? 1. In 4, 5, 6. 4 and 5, the difference is 1. In 6, 7, 8, difference is 1. In 8, 9, 10, difference is 1. So here see, you have to check in this total one, what is the least value, what is the highest value here? 2, 2, 2. So you can take any row as one. Yeah, you can take any one of these rows. I am taking the first row. In this first row, what is the least element? 4, right? So here I am writing this one. In these two, what is the supply and demand? See, 50 and 20, right? I am taking the least value 20. Okay, here I have taken 20. So here I have taken 20, right? Now it's 20 minus 20 is 0 and 50 minus 20 is 30. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to delete this one. Okay, after deleting this, what you have to do? You have to try another one. See, here it is not there now. Here in this 6, 8 and 10. Okay, 6, 8 and 10. What is the minimum value? 6 and 8, right? What is the difference between them? 2. In 4, 6, 8, 2. In 5, 7, 9, 2. Also here this one is cancelled, right? This row. In 4, 5, 6, 1. 6, 7, 8, 1. 9, 8, 10, 1. Now you can take any one of those. Again I am taking the first one only. Okay, in first one what I have to do? I have to choose the minimum. Minimum is 6 only, right? I am taking this one. Okay, in this one it is 30 and it is 30, right? So I am taking 30. See, here minus 30 and here minus 30. So this will be 0 and this will be 0, right? Okay, now do one thing. Okay, so here I am taking this one, I have deleted this one and deleted this one. Okay, so what I have to do next? Again check these 4 only. This one not there, right? 6 and 8 difference 2, 7 and 9 difference 2. Also in 6 and 7 this 2 not there. 6 and 7 1, 8 and 9 1, right? Okay, now what is the greater value here? 2, 2 only, right? Any one. I am taking the below one, this one. This one what is that? 30 and 40. Minimum is 30. So here it is minus 10. 10 is still there. And this one will be cancelled. Here minus 30. You got it, right? Here 30. So again I am doing that same one. Okay, after this what I have to do? 6 and 8 there, right? 6 and 8. 6 and 8 what I have to do first? Here see, I am writing the values. Here dash dash dash. Here only 8 is there, right? In this what to say, in this there is only one element. Here if you can see we have only two values, 6 and 8. What is the least value here? 6, right? So I am taking this one. In 6, see here 60 and it is 10, so I am taking 10. Here 10. So this will be completed. This will be 0. So after minus 10 it will be 50. So I am taking 50 here. You got it, right? So see, 20 into 4 plus 30 into 6 plus 10 into 6 plus 30 into 7 plus 50 into 8. Okay, now what is the value? 80 plus 180 plus 60 plus 210 plus 400. Now what is the addition of the? So in this one also this is the answer is 930. But if you can see we got the same values in these three methods. Okay, in NWCR method, in LCM method and in WAMS method we got the same values, right? But it is not necessary that we should have the same answer, but we got this. Okay, so this is the guys, this is the methods to ways to solve ways to find initial solution. Okay, there are three methods: NWCR, LCM and WAM. So in the next video we will find we will explain like we will study finding optimization. Like there will be a method called MODI, like MODI method means modification, that one. Okay, we will study modification, modified distribution one. We will study that one. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Comment me if you have any doubts, and take care. Bye. Also, I'm attaching PDFs for in the description, guys, so please go through and check that also.